morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. My name is Ashley. If you're new here, hi, hello. If you're not, welcome back. I just took Zeal on my dog a 23-minute walk. Was gonna try to do 30. It was absolutely freezing. I still have 6 minutes left. Didn't make it the whole time. It is like 33 degrees, I think I just looked. And as you can tell, I'm getting red, I'm getting cold. My fingertips, I need to get gloves for when I walk him because my hands freeze off, but I need to feed him. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you will have seen that I don't have a car. God is good. Because she don't want to operate and she doesn't want to run. I got a new battery for her. Yesterday she died on me multiple times. Like literally as I was driving, she would just, more on the side of when I was braking like at a stoplight, she would just shut off. She turned off. And then driving home from Can you go elsewhere and do that, please? Or your avocado's gonna have to wait a minute, okay? Driving home yesterday. No, sir, sit. You stay. Driving home yesterday, I said sit and stay. While driving home yesterday, my no, sir, sit. My engine light warning came on and was like, AC shut off, engine temp is hot or something like that. And I'm on the phone with Darius and I start freaking out. I start crying. I'm like, I literally poured a whole thing of coolant in my car yesterday. I don't know how it's out. It shouldn't be out. I don't know what's going on. I was already scared to drive it. This made it worse. And then it just kind of really went downhill from there, like really, really fast. So we ditched my car in a parking lot and he picked me up. I cried about it like the rest of the night, which is why that vlog shut off. Anyways, obviously I don't share that to, I mean, obviously it's not bragging because who wants to brag? Oh yeah, my car shut down. Like, no. It's just real life. It's what I'm going through. So if I'm gonna be honest and vulnerable and put myself out there, I'm just gonna tell you all of it. Well, some of it. And that is the current situation. It's not fun, especially because my card also got a fraud charge and got canceled, and now my car doesn't want to run. And my mom's coming into town today, which is amazing, but like I have no way to get to her. I can't go shopping with her. Not every place takes Apple Pay. It's a mess. Anyways, I'm grout fitting today with my all gray outfit. Oakley's at my grandparents'. Don't have a way to go hang out with them. Darius works till 5. It's 10:38. So unless anybody comes over, I won't be going anywhere. I'm trying to stay positive because I just want to cry and freak out because it sucks, it's annoying, it's super inconvenient, and it's just not really what I want to be dealing with right now. Mentally, emotionally, especially financially, like, you know, so that's just life. That's what's happening. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, I really don't have anything else to say. I have my house to clean, so that's good. Since I can't go anywhere, I will be able to clean everything. You want to see what my house looks like? Here it is. So if you think my life is all dandy and perfect, stop fooling yourself. It's not. I have a pile of laundry here, Christmas gifts here, random stuff here, more wrapping stuff here because I have other gifts to wrap. And stuff in my dishwasher is clean. There's stuff in my dryer. There's stuff in my washer. Oakley needs sheets on her bed. It needs her toys picked up. I'll just show you that too. So, I mean, here's her room. She's got this here, but like her bed doesn't have sheets. We got a new TV, and so our old TV has literally just been sitting here in front of our closet like this because it's too big to fit in either of our cars, and I can't lift it. And then this is the speaker that also is going to go away with it. But yeah, here's life. This is legit. So Darius's laundry that he plops on the floor. I've got stuff in that chair. So I have a lot I could do. And you know what? That's okay, because it's all gonna get done. And it's gonna be a good day. You need to calm down, sir. All right, so I'm gonna turn on a YouTube video and get things going so that I can chill later. Hopefully by 2 o'clock, hopefully by 2 I can have some stuff done. So let's get to it. Probably not gonna vlog much of it because you already do your own dishes and laundry. Why do you wanna watch me do mine, you know? I lied. I'm gonna show you everything I do because you wanna jump? You wanna stand up? You wanna walk? What do you wanna do? Sit, no, down. I shouldn't do that. I'm gonna show you everything I do because why not? I don't have anyone to talk to, so I'm gonna talk to you today, even though you're not seeing it today. Making chocolate milk, my favorite, and I'm gonna start with the dishes. The amount of meal prep containers and things that we use weekly drives me nuts. It's amazing. So, yeah. I was gonna say something until my dog completely distracted me, but I'm gonna show you everything I do. Why not? I literally have nothing better to do. You're watching me, so clearly you want to see it unless you're just being nice and playing my video. Either way, thank you. It supports me one way or the other. Somebody switched my stockings around. And people think I don't notice. Trust me. It's supposed to go D-A-O, and now it's O-D-A. So, who is touching it? You know? Like, I didn't even crinkle it this way, but whatever.
Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas, children dreaming without a care. 'Tis the season most everywhere, so come home. There's no better place, waking up on Christmas Day. Tinsel wrapped around the tree, snowflakes dancing in the street. Presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking,
I was trying to get Zeal's balls and bones out from under the couch and he sat on my head. I need to get him new tennis balls. Won't focus, but there he is. Now let's fold some laundry. I'm sweating. But I'm also in house shoes, fuzzy socks, and a sweatset, so. It is 11:42. It's been an hour. Doing good. Doing real good.
Above the fire, bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same. Waking up on Christmas Day. Waking up on Christmas Day. Tinsel wrapped around the tree. Snowflakes dancing in the street. Presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking above the fire. Bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same. Waking up on Christmas Day. Waking up on Christmas Day.
So it is a little later. It's 1:24 and I'm pretty much done. I'm on my last load of laundry. All of the gifts that were sitting on my counter put away in this box. This bag is, this Target bag next to it is Amazon returns. And then these little like mailers are things that I need to mail. Sorry, I turned my lights off. This is all still a little bit crazy. I have some gifts on the floor that I'm about to wrap. So I'm gonna do that. Once I do that, I'm gonna take a shower. I got Oakley's room squared away. And then I left Darius's laundry on the bed because every time I put his clothes away, I do it wrong. Him and I have different ways of putting our stuff up. So that is that. I'm gonna wrap and take a shower. We're doing great. Also, this is your sign. If you have a dirty, messy house or laundry, dishes, something, take the time to do it. It takes a lot. I mean, I started at what, like 10:40 and it's 1:30 and I'm just now finishing up. Granted, I don't have my child, but do not let your children or your pets stop you. Keep going. There have been times I have had to put Oakley in her crib. Now I know not all kids are in cribs, but I've had to put her away so that I can get things done. Don't let your kids stop you from keeping your house tidy. And so just do it for yourself, for your mental state, your physical state. I cannot function if my house is a wreck. I think I've said it before. I like to live like no one lives here. So when you come over, like if we have people over, I want people to think like, obviously they don't, but like it needs to look like we don't live here. So clean your house, do it for yourself, do it for your family, and just get it done. Go into the holidays, Christmas and New Year's with a clean space. Yeah. My pizza's almost done. Has a minute left.
Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas, children dreaming without a care. 'Tis the season most everywhere, so come home. There's no better place, waking up on Christmas Day. Tinsel wrapped around the tree, snowflakes dancing in the street. Presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking above the fire, bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same, waking up on Christmas Day.
Okay, I finished wrapping. Here is what I wrapped. So this little bundle, I did wrap Darius's stocking. So like those two smaller things and those three are his stocking, and then the little like, also I ate this whole thing of Skittles. My stomach hurts. I feel sick. Saved the reds for last. But I, obviously, as you can see, I wrapped them. Mine, Darius, Oakley stocking, and then I got one for somebody else's gift. But, yeah, I couldn't wrap the handle, or like the top of it. But thought that was kind of cute. You wouldn't be able to see which candy you got, but I think it's fun. And then, yeah, so I just wanted to show you the rest of the stuff, I guess. This is the rest of like mine, Oakley's stockings, and then Sweet Bubby over there is getting some bones for Christmas. So they're in that bag. So I'm going to put those away. I'm going to shower. I'm going to turn on the Yule log. I'm going to cook dinner. Well, I'm going to let Zeal out, shower, and then I'm going to cook. Darius will be home shortly. It is 4:14 and he's going to be off around 5. He's going to go get Oakley. So Oakley and Darius are back home. Dinner's ready. I kicked Darius into the room. We're having tacos. She's having a biscuit. And here is my little surprise platter for the three of us. I know, crazy. I need to take a picture before I tell him he can come out. We're also gonna watch Elf. It's his favorite movie. He's worked really hard and long days recently. So I just wanted to go a little further above and beyond to show our appreciation, because I literally could not be a stay-at-home mom without him. Also, I got to shower. Did put back on the same outfit because I didn't do anything today. All right, babe, you can come out, but close your eyes. He showered, but honestly, he probably fell asleep. Babe! Close your eyes.
How am I gonna walk out here?
You know the hallway, it's straight. Are you so excited, Sissy?
Oh, let's do it. She laughing?
Yeah. Okay, open. 1, 2, 3.
We got so much food. Wow. Say yay. Ooh, what do we have? Tacos?
Yeah.
It's a biscuit?
Yeah,
Why is there
for
wet
Oakley.
right here, EP?
No, she dumped out your water cup.
Nice.
Oakley, no more. You already squished one of those in the couch. Yeah. And she already squished one into the couch, so.
Oakley.
And we're gonna watch Elf.
Wow. I'm so excited.
I hope so.
Hey, hey, hey. You see, okay?
Are you sharing with him? She's just sharing. It's okay, you
want a
can have
cookie?
some.
Come on.
She was just sharing with
I
you.
didn't get my turn.
Come here. You
want
wanna
a
sit with
cookie?
me?
You want a cookie?
Yeah. It's okay.
You want a cookie? Oh, there you go. You want that? What you being drama for? Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. Okay, we're gonna watch this movie. Come here. Thank you.
Hey.
No, ma'am. No. Hey, you don't act like that.
Ashley and Darius are going to be our first guests tonight.
Did you send the request?
Yeah. Oh, she's about to go.
Ew, it's just me.
Over here.
Aw.
Oh, we got the trio on.
Yep.
What's up?
Hey, come clean this up. Come put this on the plate, please. Put that on the plate. Or you can eat it. Thank you. Good job. Mimi. I got a package in from my nanny and I opened it. She wraps all of our gifts and sends them to us. Every year she does an ornament. And this one's to the Biddix family from Nani. Also, if you are on my Eastep side or Nani, you're watching this, nobody tell her and mind your own business. I'm opening it because she does ornaments, so if it's an ornament, I want to put it on my tree for the last couple days. And it is all. That is so cute. Our first Christmas together. See, I definitely had to open it because then it wouldn't have been our first Christmas together if I got it afterwards. That is so cute. Come on now. Focus. I hope that looks okay. I can't really tell. I'm going to save the box so that I can put it back in there for the next 6 days. Well, I don't know that everything will be down in 6 days, but hopefully everything will be done by the new year. Oakley's playing, Darius is cleaning up, and my house looks like this again. So if you thought or think, oh my gosh, why can't my house look like hers, like blah blah blah, trust me, that's why I spent 6 hours doing it today, because it doesn't last. So don't be too hard on yourself, okay? Whoops. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 22 and cleaning up my house with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please, 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 please. That would be wonderful. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 23. And remember that Jesus loves you. Bye.
So grab your stocking above the fire. Bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same. Waking up on Christmas Day. Waking up on Christmas Day.